It all began with a simple sketch. I designed it, built it, assembled it, and as every detail came together, I realized it was no longer just a machine that followed commands, but a companion that grew with me. What once were cold, lifeless metal parts had been given warmth and will through design. It might sound naive, but to me, this is the essence of Industry 5.0. Not man versus machine, but man and machine, learning and evolving together. The future won't be a solo performance, but a symphony of humans and technology in harmony. And we, my creation and I, are still on that path of evolution.